Okay, last paragraph to be read is about tRNA, or that stands for transfer RNA. tRNA is located in the cellular cytoplasm, so it's in the cytoplasm, and is involved in protein synthesis, which means making proteins, at the site of the ribosome. So it's also found at the ribosome as well. So cytoplasm and ribosome is where it's located. Transfer RNA brings or transfers amino acids to the ribosome, and that corresponds to each 3 nucleotide or codon for rRNA. So, and we'll talk about in a video what that codon is. It's in the amoeba sister video. So really, tRNA's job is to transfer or bring in amino acids and connect them up. Amino acids make up proteins. So every little picture of a ball in that previous one of tRNA, those little balls are amino acids. So I'm going to read this again. Transfer RNA brings or transfers amino acids to the ribosome that corresponds to each 3 nucleotide codon of rRNA. The amino acids then can be joined together and processed to make polypeptides and proteins. tRNA is like a truck driver, hauling the amino acids to the ribosome, which the ribosome is known as the protein factory. So if we look at this picture right here, you can see that this whole piece right here is considered the transfer RNA, and it's carrying or hauling that little ball at the top, which is your amino acid. So this whole piece is the actual transfer RNA, and that little piece on the top that it's hauling is the amino acid. If you look at the picture down here, they show it a little bit differently. They just show you as the whole tRNA in yellow. They don't draw it as fancy. And then your little ball at the top, which is your amino acid. And they kind of show this ribosome, and they show your messenger RNA, and they show that the tRNA is lining up. See how the A's and the U's are all going together. These transfer RNAs line up by 3s. So in the groups of 3s, it's called the codon. But they line up with the messenger RNA. And when they line up together, it smacks those 2 amino acids together. And when those 2 amino acids smack together, they bond together. And so you can see, oh, look, these guys already bonded together. And now these 2 are bonding together. And so those tRNA are hauling in, here's my truck driver, hauling in the amino acid into the factory. Now my truck driver, my tRNA, has already unloaded his amino acid, so he's out to go get another one. So he's empty right now. This is my empty tRNA, where this one was my full RNA with the amino acid.